Good morning, welcome back YouTube and TikTok family, because we're on both now. I'm here Saturday. Today's July the 25th, 2026. Probably only gonna be here a few hours cleaning up and knocking more down. We'll put you on time lapse. Come with us. Me, Troy, and Owen are all here. The MVP crew. We'll see what we get done now, because we don't have much enthusiasm today. But follow us along and like, share, and subscribe as we go along. Time lapse.
That it?
Unless you got something.
I'll show. Anyways, except we're gonna go on time lapse. I'm gonna show you what we got all done last time, which we were just demoing walls and stuff. We got this wall started. This ceiling is done. These walls are done, except this one. These walls are done, except the ceiling. And the upstairs is just about done. Extremely dirty. But yeah, we got the ceiling, we just need to get this. We can get what's above the bathroom here will be done with ceiling demo besides downstairs. So that's gonna be nice. Anyways, we'll put you on time lapse and show you what we get done today. So we'll see you then.
Alright, anybody that thinks that Troy should be here more, put Troy in the comments, and I promise I'll get him here more. We'll see. Huh? So, all of this pink insulation is from the rafters that we tore down the ceiling. It's absolutely horrendous, guys. It's got dirt all over us. There's plenty of TikToks that show how covered in dirt we are about this. It's crazy how dirty this is. This is our first flip, so we didn't realize that it would be quite that dirty. But we're learning. We're learning. And I know it's taken us forever to demo this place, but I travel out of town for work, so it's very hard to get here. This is a Saturday, so I traveled back, had a doctor's appointment, so I was able to get in town to do that, which allowed me to work today. But this demo phase is way more work than I ever anticipated or thought it would be. I'm gonna move the fans, guys, because I can't breathe right. Get these fans blowing in here. And any of you all that has done a renovation of a house that's modern, I must say I'm a little jealous, because this is crazy how much work this is, man. These little shiplap boards, these are 1 by 1, all on the walls, the ceilings, every single thing. This has to come off, and on top of that is this plaster mortar type stuff. It's heavy, it's dusty, and then this house is like 1910. So there's like 120 years of freaking dust and dirt and debris all on top of that comes down on us. when we take it off the ceiling. It's crazy, man. But the demo phase is getting to a place where we're starting to get a little excited, because it's getting to a point where we can start rebuilding, which is the good part, the fun part. And I mean, follow us along for that, because it's going to be quite a journey coming up. If you have any ideas of things we think we should do or change or alter, just put it in the comments. We will for sure look at it, and we will for sure comment on it. We'll answer every question that comes up, because collectively you all make it way smarter than we are together. We got the smartest fans in all of YouTube and TikTok here. Anywho, guys, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse and follow me along picking this mess up.
Welcome back. I don't know what Pap was doing up there, but the camera died. It's at 7%. This is what me and Owen have been doing. We've had like 4 or 5 trash bags, maybe more. We moved some from this room. We gotta do this room yet. Finish this one. But we're probably not gonna get there today. I think we're gonna be leaving here soon. So yeah, I'm gonna, I guess, put you on time lapse, and we'll just clean up here. So I'll see you then. Welcome back. It's been like 10, 15 minutes, if that. Got those trash bags. We got these trash bags. We got all these trash bags. And all those. I think we got a total of 28 right now down here. There's 3 more. And Pap's working upstairs too. I'm not gonna go up there because he has music playing. But yeah. It's getting there. It's really, really boring. It looks like we're gonna need a dumpster by maybe next weekend, maybe the weekend after that. But yeah, we should be getting a dumpster here soon, which is really good. Last time it took 5 months in between dumpsters, so we're doing way better. But yeah, I'll put you on time lapse and update you here in a minute.
Welcome back. We're finished for today. We ran out of trash bags, and but we got 2 of these rooms are completely cleaned up. Got all the insulation swept up, all the boards out of 2 of them. Was trying to get this last room, but we ran out of trash bags, like I said, to get the insulation up. We will have to get another dumpster and fill her back up again. We're probably going to need at least 2 more dumpsters to complete the demo phase of our house. Other than that, do you have anything else to add, Troy?
How many trash bags you fill up?
42, I think you said.
32. We have 42 total that are filled.
Yeah, so there's 40. We filled 32 today, but there was 10 already filled, so we have 42 ready to go into trash. Not counting the bigger boards and stuff, sheetrock and stuff that are laying around. So we're definitely ready for another dumpster.
By the way, last dumpster between the dumpsters took 5 months. How long has it been since we last had a dumpster?
This is 2 weeks right now.
Yeah, so it's been 2 weeks, and before it was 5 months.
Yeah. Maybe, yeah, right at 2 weeks. Maybe give or take a day.
Yeah.
I think we're right at 2 weeks.
Doing way better.
Yeah, we got a little giddy in our step now. It's very close. The upstairs is 95% demo. There's just some scragglers and above the stairway we got to get, which is the hardest part. We got to build a platform to get up there and demo it safely. Downstairs still has, it's probably 50% downstairs.
Do you want to show it, or do you want to?
We can show it.
It's up to you.
Let's do it. We'll do it on the way out. I was gonna sweep the stairs, but I'm about out of it.
Yeah, you look a different color there in your hands.
What are you trying to say, buddy?
You don't look Caucasian. Man. Dust is crazy.
I just got dark pigmentation, man. It's not cool.
Whatever.
This is where we are in the kitchen. I know it's a freaking disaster, and somebody does not like the king of Coke cans, and it's not me, but we'll leave that where it is. You have 2 more options after me. This dining room it's fairly demoed. It's in really good shape. It's probably 80%. And the living room will go 60 to 70% in that range. Kitchen has the most, if you don't count the stairway. The stairway probably has the most of anything because it's the hardest of anything. But when this is demoed, we will work on the stairway last. Anything else, Ted?
No, I think. Oh, we're getting microphones, so hopefully the sound quality.
Getting new microphones. I don't know if it's a good thing or bad thing. You hear everything I say, but we're gonna try it out.
Yeah, hopefully the audio quality will be better. It's probably gonna be really bad right now. We're always moving around.
We're working, ever adapting to make it better for you. Anyway, I think I'm tired and I'm gonna end the video.
So you need a daily verse, but unless you can just name one off the top of your head.
No, I'm gonna bring up today's daily devotional. Oh God, my face so dirty. I won't even bring it up.
And you gotta film a TikTok too.
A friend loveth at all times, and a brother is born for adversity. Proverbs 17:17. That is our daily verse today. Like, share, subscribe. If this is the YouTube version?
Yes.
YouTube version. Links will be in the description for everything, including TikTok and anything, the short clips and reels you need to see.
I guess that's it.
Faith and foundations.